Hi guys, welcome to Health with Dr. Yvette Massacre, and today I want us to talk about the importance of staying active. I'm sure you've heard of people saying that staying active keeps the blood flowing. Well, that's true. I'm going to explain how this happens. So we have our circulatory system. We have the heart, we have the arteries, and we have the veins. So the heart first pumps blood to the lungs. So of course the heart has two sides. We have the right and the left. The right side of the heart will pump blood to the lungs so that blood gets oxygenated. And then the left side of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, to the entire body. So it pumps to your brain, to your kidneys, to your toes, to your fingers. Like literally every single part of your body receives oxygenated blood from the left side. So once the oxygen has been transferred to your tissue, it has been transferred to your brain, to your legs, your fingers. So this blood then starts coming back to the heart. So it comes back through the veins. Now, I must mention that when the blood is coming through the arteries, it comes at high pressure because we have a pump. The heart is pumping, so there's that force. So this blood is at high pressure. It flows very fast through the veins, through the arteries, and the arteries have a thick wall so that they can withstand the pressure that's coming from the heart. Unlike the veins have thin walls because the blood here flows at low pressure. The only thing the veins have is that they have valves. So these valves prevent the backflow of blood, but the blood in the veins flows at a low pressure, which is why anytime someone is from surgery, we're always asking them to ambulate quickly. We're always asking you, have you been walking around? Have you been doing this? Have you been active when you're from surgery? It's not a punishment, it's because we need you to keep the blood flowing. How does this happen? Where does this walking around or being active, how does it help the blood flow? So, unlike the arteries, the veins don't have a pump. Now, if you're keeping active, your muscles then become the pump. If you're walking around, it means that your calf muscles or your thigh muscles, those then become the pump because they're contracting and relaxing. So those become the pump for the veins. Your biceps, your triceps, every muscle as it contracts becomes the pump for the veins, which is why it's very important that you're staying active so that you keep those muscles contracting and relaxing, and you keep those muscles pumping the blood through the vein. I'm sure most of you have heard of deep vein thrombosis or DVT. Maybe some of you may have had this condition. When blood is flowing very slowly through the veins, it gives it time to coagulate, to form a clot. And once this clot is formed, this clot may end up going to your heart, and then your heart may end up pumping this clot. Now, this clot can even lodge in the brain. Then you have a stroke. It can lodge in your lungs, and you have a pulmonary embolism. So it's very important that you keep active. We're not trying to punish anyone even after surgery when we ask you to walk around. It's because we just need that blood flowing. We need your muscles to be the pumps for the veins. I hope that makes sense. Anywho, this was Health with Dr. Yvette. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, tell a friend to follow me. Bye.